Hello, my name is Stephanie. Tonight I will show you how to make my favorite snack. Milkshake is a creamy drink perfect for a dinner for a quick snack. First, you will need blender and one scoop of best protein, one scoop of oats, one scoop of milk, one scoop of water, and one banana or your favorite fruit. Step by step, add the cube of oats and add the cube of best protein to the blender. Pour the water and milk into the blender. Blend for a few seconds. One moment. Okay. And then serve it on a bowl. Delicious. And then dice the banana and it's ready to eat. Milkshake is my favorite snack because of delicious, healthy, quick, and easy. Tips: add nuts or serve rice crackers and ice.